Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your e-certificate. Alright, so let us get started. So first of all, go ahead, scan this QR code if you're using a mobile. Otherwise, if you're using a desktop or laptop, so that's why you want to go to nieltan.com/Go-eCommerce. So once you key in that URL or scan the QR code, you will be directed to the login page. So this login page is where you want to put in your email address and your password. Now for some reason, let's say if you've forgotten your email and your password, just let me and my team know. Or let's say for some cases, you got a lot of technical issue, that's where you may want to actually send us an email. Okay, I created another video to talk about how you can actually send an email to us and what are the information that you should provide so that we can reply you as fast as possible with all the relevant information. Okay, as well as if you forgot your password or forgot your email, that's where you may want to send us an email as well so that the tech team can actually check it out for you. Okay, so for this case, I'm going to skip that part. I'm just going to show you how to log in right now, which is put in your email address and your password, then click on login. Next is what you're going to do is click on this track your business. Then here you're going to click on my profile. Here you want to click on the download e-certificate. Now let's say if you're not able to download, let me know as well, let my team know as well. Or it could be due to because the program is not end yet, or maybe you have certain tasks and assignment is not yet completed yet. So that's where you may not be able to download the e-certificate. Okay, so the best way is just let us know and we will try to help to find out what is the issue, why you're not able to download the certificate. So this is how the certificate will look like. Okay, if you have the old version, please do let me know. Okay, this is the latest version for 2023, which is MDAC with the MD status. Okay, with the MD status on the bottom of the certificate. So with this status, it makes the certificate a lot more valuable. Okay, so 𝐒𝐨 has been started since like 2016, and this is the first time that I see MD status logo appear on the certificate. Now MD used to call as MSc status, right? But now it is called as MD. Okay, so now it's on the certificate, it makes the value a lot more valuable. So that's all for this video. If you need any help, please let me know in the WhatsApp group or drop me a WhatsApp message. Or if there are certain technical issues that I'm not able to solve, that's where you want to send an email. And that's where I created another video to talk about how you can send an email with the relevant information so that the tech team can reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for this video. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.